Hi, my name is Kaylee Archuleta, and this is my presentation on developing digital citizenship. So I'm just going to jump right in and first address what is digital citizenship. I found a few quotes from websites I felt explained it best. The first is that digital citizenship is critical thinking and ethical choices about content and impact on oneself, others, and one's community of what one sees, says, and produces with media, devices, and technologies. That's from Ann Kohler. The next is digital citizenship, the quality of habits, actions, and consumption patterns that impact the ecology of digital content and communities. That's from teachthought.com. And lastly, digital citizenship is the norms of appropriate, responsible technology use. It's from digitalcitizenship.net. So to sum it up, it's the proper use of technology. Now that we know what digital citizenship is, I'm going to discuss what it means to be a good digital citizen today. I really like this acronym from digitalcitizenship.net, REP. A good digital citizen should be respectful, educated, and know how to protect themselves. So R for respect, E, educate, P, protect. Now, under each of these principles, there are 9 themes. The first 3 under respect are digital etiquette, which is the electronic standards of conduct or procedures. Digital access, being aware that everyone has the same access to technology, or that they don't have the same access to technology, but it's something that should be strived for. And then digital law, which is the ethical use of technology, so ways that the law can be broken when using technology, like hacking, downloading illegal music, and plagiarizing. The next 3 fall under educate. They are digital literacy, the teaching and learning of and about technology and how to use it. Digital communication, electronic exchange of information. So this is like communicating with others through email, cell phones, and social media, and also ways to collaborate with others using technology. And then digital commerce. This is buying and selling of goods and knowing how to be an effective digital consumer. Finally, the themes that fall under protect. The first is rights and responsibilities. This is a basic digital rights like right to privacy and free speech. All digital citizens should know that our rights from like the Bill of Rights also reflect in a digital world. And then safety and security, ways a person can help protect themselves electronically. For example, learning about password and virus protection and like backing up data. And then finally, digital health and wellness. This is the physical and psychological well-being in a techno world. So learning how much time is appropriate to be spending on devices, how technology can physically harm us, and knowing that you can be addicted to technology. So these are all the elements a person should learn about to become a good digital citizen. Now I'm going to go over what we can do as educators to help develop digital citizenship in our students. When it comes to covering the different elements of digital citizenship, there's no right or wrong way to do it, but don't feel like you have to cover all 9 elements in one school year. So teachhub.com has an article on how to teach digital citizenship. It breaks down things that can be taught and resources per grade level. Also, commonsense.org has a breakdown of digital citizenship curriculum per grade level, but they do not follow the 9 themes. They have 8. They are pretty similar. Commonsense.org also has a digital citizen teacher training, so if you're interested. So now here are some tips on how to start teaching digital citizenship in your classroom. First, you want to start on the first day of school. So putting posters is a great way. There are so many free posters that you can print offline. This is a great way to address it the first day or during the first week and also reflect back on it throughout the school year. Another thing is making it part of your rules and procedures. So when you're talking about respecting others in the classroom, you are also talking about how we need to respect others even when using technology, so virtually, even if they're not there. Next are a few ways to incorporate digital citizenship in lesson plans. So the first thing is literature, finding books that have great lessons in them. So Arthur's Computer Disaster, the computer teacher from the Black Lagoon has a bunch of technological terms in it. So like keyboard and cursor, and get students familiar with it. And then to the right is a screenshot from a video I found on YouTube of if you give a mouse an iPad. It is a great lesson. And so these are great ways to incorporate it and digital citizenship in the classroom. Also, for upper grades, finding articles to read and discuss, and having like argumentative papers on like what side they feel is like valid. The next thing you can do is use videos. Like I previously mentioned, you can find videos on books. There are also websites that have videos on digital citizenship elements. A couple good ones are Thank You Know and Brain Pop. And then last but not least, games. There are tons of digital citizenship games. You could just do a quick Google search, and here are some I found. The first one is citizenwise.org, and then again, Brain Pop. Brain Pop is really a great resource for digital citizenship. So that's it on my presentation on developing digital citizenship. I hope you received a good foundation to start implementing digital citizenship in your classroom. Thank you.